answer. All right, guys, let's sell. We're gonna sell. So we're gonna sell. Okay, guys, so Friday was a really bad day for gold because the gold bull ran out of steam. So it breaks through all the support level, and it actually failed to hold that support level. So what we're going to see now is that if the momentum continue, then we may see a support of 1452.4 somewhere down here, a bit lower, and possibly it may drop down further to 1479 to 0.4. So that is the bull. So if the bull goes up there, it will drop down from there. So that is the bull. So, but we're going to sell now. So if the trend is reverse, it could be go down as low as 1.452. And if it's going to be a bull, it should go up to about 1469. So we'll just have to see what happened now. So if you just come in, good opportunity to sell now. Okay, so make sure when your membership ends, when you join on 9 December, you will end on the 9th of January 2020. So make sure you review 1 week before the expiry, which is your last day of the 9th of January. So if you join today, that's what you need to do. Renew it. Okay, so we have a question. Some of our trader wants to know, what are the best days to trade Forex? So all in all, the best day to trade is Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, which is the best day for Forex trading. And that's due to the high volatility. And during the middle of the week, the currency market sees the most trading action. So during the middle of the week, starting Wednesday, Thursday, and Tuesday will kick in, and then Wednesday, Thursday, that will actually, you will see that they have the most trading, the most action in there for trading. So and for the rest of the week, like Monday, which is statics, and Friday can be also unpredictable as well, because it can be unpredictable on Friday because the broker, the bankers, and all the hedge funds are scrambling to close out their position over the weekend, so they can start fresh on Monday, Tuesday. So that could be volatile as well. This candle here is crucial. Okay, so looks like it is trying to, like this area here has been trying to break through, but it doesn't do that. That's good. So now it's coming down. So this candle is very interesting to see what happened next. All right, so how is everyone going so far? Don't fall asleep yet. It's still daylight over there, still morning over there, some part of your country. Don't buy, sorry, it's a sell. Keep getting confused. So if you took a secondary trade with the sell number 2, you can close your position after this candle and take profit. What is patient, right? Patient in Forex is important. especially when we are trading with the trading with money, because money tends to give us a lot of worried, especially if you're trading a lot, like with a large account, right? Large account, like, you know, more than, I don't know, I guess for some people it's more than 5,000 or 50,000 or more than 10,000, and you'll see how the price move up and down very quick, and your account size, your profit is in negative and positive. You just start to worry a bit. So you need to be patient and disciplined, which is the two keys words that is very important in forex trading. Okay, so you need to understand that, and it takes time. It takes time for traders to understand that too. It's not someone else, it's oneself. It's yourself that needs to be patient and stay disciplined and consistent to your plan and strategies. If you have that in place, you'll be a profitable trader. So how can you get patient in trading? So there are 4 simple ways traders can learn from the skills of being patient. So the first one is you use the feeler or small position to help you find the direction. So we are finding the directions, we are having the strategies, the method in place already, and then we can then slowly scale in and out of the position, because we know where we're heading. Like we've got here, we took a secondary trade, to take advantage of our strategies. We need to also document, when you lose or when you win, you need to make sure you document or you understand why you did it, so you know exactly that it's following to your strategies or your plan or your method or not. If it is, then you know that you've done the right thing. So you got to always constantly, document or work things out that gives you the edge, trigger you to be, in the right mind. And also you need to have overcome your fear, right? So those are the skills that you need to have. Overcome your fear, take it in the chin if you need to. If you feel that you've made a mistake, admit it and just move on and cut your loss, so you can have the rest of the funds another day. The second one, they can become a professional trader or a good trader. They can join a one-on-one mentorship program with me for $800 for 5 days. And I'll teach them the secret of my method, of the strategies that I have in place that works. So therefore, they will go through 5 days during London Open, during a session, Monday the 5 days, or even less, because I think with the method I have, most of the traders will actually get it straight away in one day. But we can go through over and over again for that 5 days until they get it, and they will have the secret. They will have the secret with them for life. And then the third one, they can, if they want to, you can get the full video training. You get the full video training for $250. So that means they can watch the video, which is over an hour and a half, just over an hour, I think, over an hour, just under an hour and a half. And the video will give them all the method I trade and you know, describe the every details in there, so they can actually just learn themselves. Okay, that's for $250. So all this here is designed to help everyone in you know, interested in. So before we touch on patient in Forex, all right, so let me talk about what is how to become a successful Forex trader. Okay, so to become a successful Forex trader, there's a few things you need to look at. You need to develop a trading plan, okay, and always stick to it. You always stick to your trading plan. That's important, okay? So a lot of traders don't stick to the trading plan. And number two is you got to set a stop loss for every trade. Every trade that you have, that you do, you always have a stop loss in place, okay? So that's important. You must have a stop loss. Don't think, oh no, it's going to keep going, it's just going to keep, hopefully it will return. You got to have a stop loss in place. It won't return, so you got to stick to it. So the third thing is, don't risk more than 2% of your margin per single trade, okay? So that means if you're a day trader, you don't want to risk too much. You want to make sure you keep your margin level low, okay? 2% is good. Anywhere between 2 to 5% is good for me. And you know, I like to scalp a lot, so get in, get out of my trade. I could have got out here. I was thinking of getting out here. This point here, we are sitting at 25 bucks, but I thought, no, I'm going to wait and for it to come back down here before I close my secondary trade. So the fourth thing is you got to keep your emotion separately from your trading. So you know, a lot of people keep the emotion to the trading, thinking, oh no, it's gonna go, I'm gonna, you know, gonna crash, it's gonna happen. And your emotion is just running wild, you know, in the background. But if you just keep it separate from trading, you know that you have a trading plan, you have a strategy, you have a method in place, and no matter what, you stick to that method, that strategies that you have in place, you will always come up on top. Okay, and the fifth one that you need to understand to become a successful Forex trader is that to never trade and to try and compensate your loss. You know, if you have your loss, you just move on the next day. You know, don't try and compensate for it and say, oh look, I lost big today, I'm going to make it back, I'm going to, you know, do everything I can to make it back, increase your lot size and so stuff like that. That's no good. That's no way to go about you know, trying to compensate your loss. You know that you can make it back, but you just don't want to push your, you know, go out your way and not stick to your plan. You know, never compensate your loss by increasing your lot size or stuff like that. You just stick to your plan no matter what. If you get stop out, hey, you get stop out, you know, and it's part of the trading plan that you have. And those are the 5 things that you need to look out for if you want to become a successful trader in Forex. Okay, guys? All right, well, see what happened here. So it looks like this candle is having a bit of momentum. Just over 1 minute to go. Looks like it's trying to push down towards our secondary sell line. We'll see if it breaks through that, and then it'll be a good chance it's turning around again. Push down, strong push. Just one more push. That's it. Just see one more push down. 1 minute. Okay, so that's close. So we closed one trade. Let's have a look at the profit. There you go, the account history. $32.96. Okay, so that's our secondary sale, we made $32.96, and our balance now is $527.59. So we've got one more trade to go before we can close this one and for the day. Okay, so 3 minutes, just about 3 minutes to go. I want to see it, really want to see it push through this down further with this candle. So here we go. Okay, close the trade. So let's have a look at the profit. So the profit there is $42.46. So that's our profit. So this one is pushing down towards our also target as well. So we want to see that close down towards our target so we can close the trade. So after this, we'll close the trade in a minute. So, and then we can go to sleep. It's a long day. So finally pushing down right now. All right, so here we go. Okay, closed. All right, so we closed with 8 pip profits today, guys. So it hits our target, and here's the balance. Here's the profit. We made $22.33 with that trade, and then the secondary trade we made $32.96 and $42.46. So 3 trades all in profit with a current balance now is $590 and 12 cents. All right, everyone, good night. Thanks for watching, and we're a profitable trade. Have a great night, and I'll see you again in the morning tomorrow. Bye.